Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Isaac James. Well, of course, we're going to be shadowing open house today. It'll be the second one. After that, I'll be sitting a few open houses of my own. I'm actually shadowing a great agent, part of our team, Miss Janie Kim. I believe you can see her. That's her saying hello in the background. You can see her sign. I don't know if you can see her sign there with her right on there. But this property here is actually 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,500 square feet. Asking price is 715, 715,000 for those of you that need exact numbers. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's take a look. So as you can see, it's 2-car garage. Beautiful. The car is not included, unfortunately. Nice Audi A6 there. See, they got the washer and dryer out here too as well, so that's perfect. Not everybody has that here in Hawaii. Beautiful as you walk in downstairs. Is awesome. Wonderful looking sofa. The flooring is beautiful. Clean white walls. Have the fans as well. And we also have the kitchen area. Beautiful, modern decor. Cabinets look awesome. Countertop looks great. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. Oh man. Oh man. Wow, that's tempting. All right, we're gonna come back for that. I don't know why, but I always love to open the fridge for some reason and just look in there. Maybe there might be more goodies in there or something, but there's Miss Kim, Janie Kim.
Hi!
So,
Bring the fires!
so there's the downstairs bathroom, shower. Okay. It's very nice. Bedroom downstairs. Got to fit at least a twin size bed in here, maybe a small dresser with it. All right, let's head upstairs. Man, I'm liking this carpet too. I'm a big fan of carpet. I don't know about y'all, but I like to feel carpet under my feet. Especially in the living spaces, you know, maybe not so much necessarily in the kitchen, but definitely in the bedroom. I prefer carpet. Although I have met some people that do not prefer carpet. And that's just because they find it easier to keep the wood clean, the wood floors clean. I mean, it's a nice fan too, man. It's stainless steel. I don't know if you can tell or not, but looks beautiful. All right, in the master bedroom. Very nice looking. Got some candles, set the atmosphere. View from the window, you can check on your neighbors, I guess, or be nosy. Got dual sliding closet doors right here. That's pretty nice, almost like a walkway with the mirrors. So I guess you could say his and hers closets. It's pretty nice. Shower. His and hers sinks. It's beautiful. Beautiful place. Okay, guys, so just want to thank you for checking out this property with me. Actually, you know what I just realized? I didn't actually tell you the address, so you could actually look it up. But again, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,500 square feet. We have an open house here till 5 p.m. Come out, check it out, and if you like it, put in an offer. But this is actually going to be, let's see here, 801 Kakala Street, so Kakala Street, unit number 37 here in Kapolei. So if you're in the area or you know somebody that would love to live in this area, it's a great neighborhood, very quiet. I actually have stayed down the street myself. So very quiet, but very close to everything. I mean, the new mall, the new movie theaters, also got the hotels, the families coming to visit you. And it's a place where property value skyrockets. I mean, the people that I know that have purchased and sold within the past 3 to 4 years, most of them on the low end made $70,000, $80,000. So this is a great place to buy with long-term value, and the development, everything is going to be coming on this side, anyways. So if you're looking for this area, it's awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, you guys take care. Have a great day.